Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Guide, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to add or remove Face ID on iPhone. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. In order to use Face ID, you need iPhone X or any iPhone that is greater than iPhone X. If you have any of those phones, go to your settings app, then scroll a bit down. Then you will see this option Face ID and passcode. Tap on it. If you have enabled passcode on your phone, enter the passcode. Then you'll get to this page. On this page, you'll see this option Set up Face ID. Tap on it. Now tap on Get Started. Then position your face within the frame. Then it will ask you to move your head slowly to complete the circle. Once you do that, tap on Continue. Then again move your head slowly. Then once you complete that step, you will see this page where it says Face ID is not set up. Tap on the Done button. And this is how you add Face ID on iPhone. If you want to remove Face ID, tap on the Reset Face ID button. Then it will be removed. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.